Prevention ready-to-use spray is a great option for fast, safe, and easy disinfection. It can be used on a wide range of surfaces around your spa or salon. This solution is ready to go, and it does not require any mixing or dilution with water. Prevention ready-to-use spray kills viruses, bacteria, and fungi in just 1 minute. If required, pre-clean any visible dirt or debris from the surface. Then, spray or foam the solution evenly onto the surface. Allow the surface to remain wet for at least 1 minute to achieve disinfection. Then, you can simply allow the surface to air dry, or if you prefer, wipe any excess solution using a clean cloth. Your surface is now disinfected and ready to use for your next appointment. Prevention, it's everyday confidence.